This mountain is too hard. I have been here 3 hours and I'm feeling like I'm walk up a wall like a Spider-Man. It's too hard. 3 hours climbing. There's nothing here. My friend, it is too hard. Look at this, look at this. You look here, look at this. What is this here? Look. Climbing. 3 hours, look at this. Look at this, friend, look at it. You fall off here and you're gonna meet Jesus. Who put the trail here? Who say I'm gonna put the trail here and you walk on it? Look at it. This is too hard, this trail. Take me home.